The another al-qa'idah al-fiqhiyah saying that al-yakin la yazulu bisyak. Certainty is not overruled by doubt. So meaning that if you still doubt about that kinds of the things, you do not have yakin yet, fully yakin. Yakin means confidence. Because in order to make sure that you are really yakin, please do not have any doubt. Now, if you would like to give the example, you as a Muslim are required to believe in all arkan al-iman. Believe in Allah SWT, al-iman billah, wa malaikatihi, his angel, wa kutubihi, and his book, wa rusulihi, and his messenger, wal yawmil akhir, and believe in the last day, yaumul qiyamah, in another words. And then believe in qada and qadar. You have to believe in God predestining. So these are rukun al-iman that you have to believe and confidence certain 100%, not 99.9%. So if you still doubt, for example, I believe about God's existence, but I'm not sure about that. So meaning that you still have a doubt about that. So therefore, you are not in the category of al-yakin. Right? If you already yakin, meaning that you do not have any doubt anymore in regarding about arkan al-iman, specifically the existence of God. God is the most powerful. God is Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. All these things, even though it is abstract to believe, but because it has been clearly stated in the Holy Quran and Hadith that Allah SWT is Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Al-Malik, Al-Quddus, and so on, as mentioned in Al-Asma Al-Husna. So therefore, you have to firm about that. You have to yakin about that. Right? You cannot be called as yakin person. You are certain about that kinds of belief if you are doubt about this matter. So this is in line with what we call the al-qa'idah al-fiqhiyah, al-yakin la yazulu bisyak. The meaning of this maxim is the certain and established thing is not to be dismissed by the liable doubt on this. So maybe in fiqh context, for example, if you want to judge whether this person right or wrong, you have to be certain. If you are doubt, for example, whether they commit the sin or not, or they steal something or not, so meaning that be careful in issuing a verdict to him. We do not want the victim becomes be suffer because of our ruling, right? And so it also means that a fact established by law or proven with evidence will remain so until there is another certainty that remove it. Of course, if you go to mahkamah, sometimes they issue the verdict because they are confident about that kind of the case. The verdict must be like this. If, for example, in the future, there will be another evidence, so meaning that they will have another proof, so meaning that they do not certain about the historical verdict, meaning that the verdict also the new verdict can be issued in according to what we call the evidence, because the evidence make you certain or yakin, something like that. Right? So this maxim can be applied when someone is in doubt with the ingredients that the food seller is using in manufacturing their food, but at the same time the food is labeled with halal logo, in which the halal logo is recognized halal logo from the authority, for example from Brunei halal logo, from Jakin halal logo, in this case, the doubt can be overruled as the halal logo is a verified and trusted halal logo. So meaning that in halal industry content, maybe some of you will be asked, can we consume that kind of product or not? So since to be confirmed whether that product, or to be certain whether that product is lawful or unlawful, in our contemporary life, we look to the halal logo. We trust to the authority. If the authority issue or allow to use that halal logo to that product, so meaning that we have to certain and do not doubt anymore, and then tawakal to Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. We know that we as human beings do not know everything. We know what has been exposed to us, what based on the packaging, labeling, and so on. So this is maybe one of the very good example to apply to halal industry related to this legal maxim, which saying that al-yakin la yazulu bisyak. If you still doubt about that, so try to avoid in consuming that kind of the product.